Molar volume. Molar volume is the volume of 1 mole of a substance. The molar volume of a substance at STP is 22.7 liter. What is meant by STP? STP indicates standard temperature and pressure. That is a temperature equal to 273.15 Kelvin or 0 degrees Celsius and a pressure equal to 1 bar or 10 raised to 5 Pascal. The molar volume can be included in stoichiometric calculations as the informations available from a balanced chemical equation include the volumes of reactants and products also. For example, consider the combustion of methane. The reaction is written as follows. Methane with 2 oxygen molecules gives carbon dioxide and water. This equation gives the following informations. That is, 1 molecule of methane reacts with 2 molecules of oxygen to give 1 molecule of carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of water. That is, 1 mole of methane reacts with 2 moles of oxygen to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 2 moles of water. If the corresponding volumes are considered, 22.7 liter of methane reacts with 2 into 22.7 liter of oxygen to produce 22.7 liter of carbon dioxide and 2 into 22.7 liter of water. Let us solve a problem based on stoichiometry. Calculate the volume of ammonia gas obtained from 98 gram of nitrogen gas in Haber process. That is, nitrogen with 3 molecules of hydrogen gives 2 molecules of NH3. In this question, the mass of nitrogen is given and the volume of ammonia gas is asked. From the equation, it is clear that 1 mole nitrogen gives 2 moles of ammonia. The mass of nitrogen corresponding to 1 mole of it is 28 gram and the volume of 2 moles of ammonia is 2 into 22.7 liter, that is equal to 45.4 liter at STP. That is, 28 gram nitrogen gives 45.4 liter of ammonia. That is, 1 gram nitrogen gives 45.4 divided by 28 liter ammonia. Therefore, 98 gram nitrogen gives 45.4 by 28 into 98 liter ammonia, which is equal to 158.9 liter ammonia. Next topic, limiting reagent. What is meant by limiting reagent? It can be explained by using an example. Consider the chemical equation indicating the Haber process for the production of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen gases. This reaction shows that 28 gram of nitrogen reacts with 6 gram of hydrogen. That is, the ratio of combination of nitrogen and hydrogen is 28:6, that is 14:3, and this is the ratio of their masses. That is 14 gram nitrogen per 3 gram hydrogen provides a complete reaction, or a combination as per the ratio of 14:3 gives a complete reaction. If just 10 gram of nitrogen is taken for 3 gram of hydrogen, the reaction will stop after the consumption of 10 gram of nitrogen, and a small amount of the other reactant hydrogen remains unreacted. Hence, the amount of product formed will be limited. Here, the amount of product is decreased as the amount of nitrogen is less than the required amount. So, nitrogen is the limiting reagent here. So, what is meant by a limiting reagent? The reactant which is present in the lesser amount gets consumed after some time, and after that no further reaction takes place, whatever be the amount of the other reactant. So, such a reactant is known as limiting reagent, or we can define the limiting reagent as follows. The reactant which gets consumed first limits the amount of product formed. It is called limiting reagent. Try to answer this. If 1 gram of hydrogen is allowed to react with 14 gram of nitrogen in Haber process, which reactant is acting as the limiting reagent? As there is no enough amount of hydrogen to keep the required ratio of 14:3, hydrogen is the limiting reagent here.